Today we're going to showcase how to change out pads on a 2-piston Wilwood caliper on our bad series brakes. Little nub here, so we're going to kind of lift this up. So I put a screwdriver on the actual anti-rattle clip, and I pry it up, and I use my thumb and pop it out. Comes all the way out. Just got another pad area here, and you can just put your finger from behind, push it out. The cool thing with these pads is they actually have the part number here. Now you can Google that part number and it'll come up, and you can probably find it near you. We're going to show you how we do it on a smartphone. So we put the part number in Google, we search, find out Wilwood's part number, Amazon, Speedway Motors, or we can go to Airkewld's website and start typing in the part number 150 dash, and there it is. Click on the pads. Here you are. You can add them to your cart and go to town. Check out with PayPal or use a credit card. Back to the film. So we got our new pads. Just came in from Airkewld. We're gonna slide them in. No lubricant, no nothing. We're gonna slide them in. Screwdriver anymore. And I like putting my 2 fingers here and pushing it in, and then you're just going to lift up on the back of this to get it over the hump. The hump is going to be on your pad itself. Kind of twist the screwdriver like this, and it kind of lifts it, pops over, and then spread your pads out. Good to go. Hey guys, I want to tell you about the promotion we're continuing in 2021, and that's giving away one of these ultimate beams to one of our subscribers who likes and comments on our videos. Once we hit 10K, we're at this number right here right now. Once we're at 10K, then we're going to randomly select a subscriber and make sure they've commented on one of the videos, and we're going to give it away for your Type 1 Beetle, Gia, Type 3 thing. That's what we're going to do, one of those bad boys right there. And you could be it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Now back to the film.